So good day everyone. Today we're going to discuss about exponential, logarithmic, and inverse function. So exponential function, an equation with exponents in which the exponent or a portion of the exponent is a variable is called an exponential function. Here we have the f of the x equals b raised to x. So for the logarithmic function, so here's the basic formula. So we can have y equals log base b of x, or the logarithm of x to the base b. So, and we have the b raised to y equals x. So in logarithmic function, b can be any constant except 1 or 0. So for the inverse function, so a function f can only have an inverse. So it is usually represented as f raised to negative 1. So here we have the steps in solving inverse. So let's have an example. So we have f of x equals 7x minus 9 over x plus 2. So the first step is replace f of x with y. So gaya na ng sabi natin kanina sa function notation. So next is uh, swap x and y. So here, pinagpalit na natin yung, di ba, y na to. So pinag natin x. Tapos yung 7x naging 7, y minus 9. X plus 2 naging y plus 2. Next step is multiply both sides by the denominator. So we have, pag multiply natin yung x sa y, sa denominator niya, which is yung y plus 2, so magiging x times y plus 2. And sa dito naman, maka-cancel siya, kaya naging 7y minus 9 na lang. Then we can expand, we distribute the x sa y tsaka 2. So magiging xy plus 2x equals 7y minus 9. So next is the move all y terms to one side. Ilipat natin yung y sa kabila. So here nagkaroon ng xy, nilipat natin yung 7y sa kabila. So naging negative 7y equals negative 9. Plus yung x, lipat natin, naging negative 2x. Next here is factor out yung y. So kapag factor out natin yung ito, so magiging y times x minus 7 na siya. So sa kabila, same pa din, negative 9 minus 2x. Now, we can, after this, we can now divide both sides by x minus 7. So, pag dinivide, ito, maka-cancel yung x minus 7. So, matitira dito sa kabila. Sa left side is yung y. So, dito naman, magkakaroon na siya ng over x minus 7. So, important note is, dapat yung tama yung pag-factor out mo. Kasi if mali ka na dun, mali na yung mga next steps mo.